Hello, so today I'm making the skin glow juice recipe. This is just a juice that has ingredients that are believed to make your skin glow. So I'm just peeling my carrots over there. I use quite a number of carrots, about maybe 10 carrots, and you can use the carrots with skin on, but make sure you wash the carrots thoroughly. So I'm just peeling the carrots over there, and I have a couple of other ingredients. I have turmeric, I have garlic, I have green apple, I also have lemon. So I'm just cutting the carrot into small pieces so that it can be easy to juice or to blend, because I don't have a juicer. So I'm just cutting the pieces and putting them into the blender. The type of apple that I'm using is a green apple, but you can use any other type of apple. It's just to give a good taste, because you can see all these other ingredients can be a bit bitter. So the apple is just to make the juice taste a bit sweet. So I'm just cutting up all the ingredients into smaller pieces so that it can be easier for the blender to blend them out. So I'm just cutting the apples over there, and then I'll also cut the garlic into smaller pieces, as well as the turmeric and the lemon as well. Once everything is in the blender, I just add a bit of water, because we want to make juice out of all these ingredients. So I'm just turning my blender on. So I had to change the blender because that blender was not working, so I had to use a NutriBullet. So that's what I'm using to blend this juice. I'm adding black pepper to activate the turmeric in the recipe. Everything is blended out, and now I'm using a sieve to remove the pulp or the remaining stuff, just to separate it from the juice. And I'm trying to extract as much juice as possible from the pulp. As you can see, the juice in the bowl is yellow. It's a beautiful juice. So I just packed this juice into my bottle and put it in the fridge. I used it the whole week. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.